Okay, so we are here at Coral Gardens. We were gonna do some snorkeling today, but when we got here, due to the recent flooding, it's super murky and just brown. So we're changing course and we're gonna go to a beach called Kalepolepo. Okay, let's do it. We're here at Kalepolepo Beach. Zoe's swimming. The water's pretty brown. It's murky and brown everywhere because of the flooding the last couple weeks. And there's turtles over there swimming on the rocks.
Pretty cool spot here, lots of kids. It's like a fish trap, right? Hey, isn't that what this is?
Yeah.
Makes it nice for kids to play in though.
We've been having a fun beach day. We played in the water, took some walks down the beach. The beach just goes pretty much forever here. We saw a lot of turtles. Now we're playing in the sand. And Gerald has dug this awesome hole here with some stairs down into it. And I think we're gonna bury him in it. What's going on? Just hanging out at the beach. Okay, Gerald, your turn.
There's a lot of sand on me. My arms are pretty good and stuck, yeah. Let's see if I can look over now. High five, we did it. Yeah.
Alright, we just finished up for today. We're about to head back. It was a really good beach, really baby friendly. We enjoyed it, Zoe enjoyed it. saw tons of other kids there, so if you're in this area with kids, we'd definitely recommend it.